This is a girl MC Skelem, Masele social ladies. Welcome to Masele social TV. Apa main yang orang Australia ini?
Hello, my name is Amakala Muslimalateng. It's why Hela Moroka Hali. When this when last month. Yeah,
Mana mau bilang mang?
Right. I'm super hala. Generally about a month. I don't see really living.
Ya, aku pakai itu, aku cuma kayak orang kau join us.
Guys, welele. Salagi join us welele laga pilo. Kisikenne le logo. Some years back, begitu hake so ke schooling abroad. So I came, this is a team. I'm going back to it. Begitake join us really. Because in Sweden I found that I socialize with many guys that are my friends, and when I'm at Sweden I feel cool, I feel safe, I feel at home. So then I decided to join the movement.
Thank you, man. Wana mau kau cakap orang apa yang macam tu?
Okay, can I go to the conference center, Lema Beta, and then after we start passing, we give another hali in the performance of that thing, for the soon Latin, Kilamaka, or Pona, and the Raffle, the Pona, Tumie, and maybe one of them cut out again at the college.
All right. Next question. Kau boleh kau close ana mas wele ni. Me o boleh lo rato lo tula lo bana on social media platforms. I really tell rato la thing. Mas wele.
Guys, ke bona le rato le le mas wele. Kore o ka ke mongwa team, but I have a less than a month. We don't know team. Kore go na go la mo grouping ya swelele. Chatting guys. Mo lo ra isi go bona mo team le team eno gore ke mo go yone to back at home go ka solos. I have never seen the rat. I have never seen the rat.
Ana me ulo sana otana usan otana si wele. Boleh na rato lo to bana.
From the first day that they introduced me on WhatsApp, I spent about saying about some people of what I'm getting everything. Or wala ka mo ela mo pinya ya bone miki ba tara ba da ranto ba no hore ba itami ke so most of them are super married and but just welcoming. They're just very welcoming people. And I'm very happy to be here.
Kau kau kita mungkin sebelum saya no mau tahu nyaro no. Welcome to Square Social Tabu. Ini kita kira kita kau nak na debat tu tadi. Yeah. Thank you so much. Jadi so good luck buat kanya kau mau keluar boy ni kau nak buat apa? What in Tanzania? Do you see any difference between I think from asal mapeta aku kala. Aku kan obana a different mau tim nyaro.
Well, I'm not really sure if I can say I can see much, but obviously I didn't know but I just joined and I used to see you guys from a distance. But I can say I joined you guys. I didn't feel el rato de que le guanan, tal y suba por ahí, total una cosa. Y sí, se propone. Na ko kuto na la que no tenía lo na ko warro na. Ba ni ala ba ko ni alunni. Kana wana na ko rin na ko ni.
Wala mo kala mas wele ni sa tawo. Wow. Yeah, thank you so much, viewers out there at home. Yakana wile kama peta. My guys, koko fiki. May your soul continue to rest in peace. Mwah, for my girl, Skelem. Love you.